What up?
Hi.
So,
So,
brace yourself.
what is the topic of the evening?
This shall blow your mind. Okay, remember the other day we were sitting adjacent from each other, and you had your headphones on, and I was at my computer, and then I start blasting some music, and you look over, you're like, what the hell? Like, that was the eyes you gave me, because I was listening to music I usually don't listen to, so you had this look of like, because you you like, I don't know, you like a ton of crazy ass music that I don't like. So if I even listen to anything outside of my box, you notice quick. You're like, what's going on?
You have a box. That's for sure.
You're like, I don't know what all you think, but you definitely notice it. So I go from being quiet
To blasting black metal.
Yes, I did. And you're like, your eyes were like, what the hell? Like, I don't know. I just said that. Okay. So,
My, how times have changed.
well, I was talking to this guy on Facebook through the YouTube Facebook page or whatever, and he sent me a link. He was like, "Hey, check out my band," or something. I don't know what he said. So I clicked on it, and my speakers were loud, and I don't know what music this is gonna be. It's a link. All I see is numbers, letters, smiles. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what it's going to be. So I click. I'm now blasting, what was it?
I think it was black metal.
I was blasting black metal. That was how I was rolling, okay? So shout outs to, was it Monkey Business? Okay. What?
That's their name?
Yeah, that's the name. Okay. But that's not where I'm blowing your mind.
Maybe it wasn't black metal.
Okay. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. But here's where it's going to blow your mind. So I do that. And then it was I think it may have been the very next day. I'm digging through the Facebook page, like catching up, to reply to people. And this chick says, this is going to blow your mind. This blew my mind. Okay. Brace yourself. This chick said, her husband has been in this band for the last 10 years, right? Totally different person. Check out the name of this band.
What?
Flavortown Mafia. Oh my god, dude, we have to go see anything Flavortown related. I need Flavortown in my life. It happens to be music, I will embrace it. Does that shit blow your mind?
It's novel.
We always talk about Flavortown.
I know, we do.
We want to live in Flavortown.
Other people are on the same page.
They're above and beyond. They've created a whole lifestyle. So where was that going? So that was, I guess, last week. I'm filling you in on my life. This week. Okay, quote of the week. So we're hanging out with a friend who is what is he? He is like he's like what was it, like
a pot smoking, gun toting hippie.
That wasn't what I was gonna say, but that's accurate. That's way accurate. He's like an aggressive, like anti-authority, like way into metal, but a huge fucking hippie, right?
Yeah.
The people we attract. Anyway, so this person loves to make Jew jokes around me because I'm Jewish, and I think he's hilarious, so it's good. Because he kind of has some Jew vibe, so we kind of bond over his fake Jewness.
Yeah.
And we were talking about something. Okay, this may sound offensive, but I'm going to go ahead and say it because I thought it was great, and I want to cement this into the future, that I will forever remember this quote. Because this is the quote of the week. This is it. We're talking about some shit, and maybe I don't know. And then he said, it's free. That's thinking with your menorah. And I was like, yeah, high five. Dude, greatest statement ever. Now that everybody is thumbs downing and walking away, there's more room to enjoy this joke. So I changed the name. Oh, yes. Let's talk about change. I love change. I love change. I'm fucking scared of change. Like, I resist it at all costs. Like, I'm a planaholic. I love planning. I love knowing exactly what to expect. Like, gray, vague, confusing expectations completely freak me out and make me just act like a fool. Okay. So I love to plan. Speaking of planning, what did I get at Aldi?
A planner.
Dude, Aldi had planners. If anyone goes to Aldi, you know about that random ass aisle. At least I think they all have that. Some random ass aisle where you show up and you will never see this item again. It's like you have to make an impulse buy or else you will regret it. You will go to the grave wishing you bought that those virtual glasses that Aldi sells. Which they did. You pointed them out. You were like
VR goggles.
You were like, whoa.
At one point they had record shelves, and then later we saw records.
Yeah, they had.
They were gone just as fast.
Pearl Jam 10.
Yeah.
They had Mariah Carey Christmas album on record. Anyway, so I'm walking down this aisle. I should never walk down this aisle. This is the aisle. No, I have to. I'm so curious. It's so random. Okay. So I walk down this aisle, and there are planners. $8.99. No, $7.99.
Yep.
And they look fucking fantastic. These are the planners for
champions.
For champions, yeah. And they had like fancy colors. They had like professional. Like they had it all. And I've never owned a legit planner, and it's been on my mind. And I'm new year, new you. You got to plan your shit. You got to plan who you're gonna be. So I bought a planner. No one cares. Okay. I'm only talking about this to illustrate a very long-winded point.
Okay, what is the point?
Dr. Tangent. Okay. The point is that I love planning. I don't like change. I hate change. Fuck change. Change, go fuck yourself. Okay.
But you love change.
However, I love. No, there's no emotion. I am compelled. I am compelled to have extreme change. I don't know when the time is right. Who fucking knows? It happens, right? We got married. Like, we didn't know each other and we just got married, right? Right? And then when we were living in the tiny house and land, I just turned to you one day and I was like, do you want to sell this after a year of living in the woods? And you were like, yes. And we just instantly sold it. We were just like, peace, right?
Yeah.
So I would say that I avoid change until I've avoided it so long that it just collapses in on itself like a black star. No. Dark star. No.
Black hole.
Black hole. Yes, that's the science of how my life works. The look on your face.
Yes.
Oh man, you're about to collapse this.
Physics.
Peace. Look, my doctorate is in tangology. I can't say the word. Can you say it? Help a girl out.
Well, you're making up the word as it's coming out of your mouth.
Look, there's a right way and a wrong way to say a made-up word, and I'm not going to attempt to keep saying it the wrong way. Doctor. Okay, so where is this all going?
So change.
Oh, yes. Good old change.
Change, black holes,
Facebook,
tangerine.
Jew jokes, thinking with your menorah. Okay, so I changed my blog / YouTube / Instagram / Facebook / Twitter. Yeah, so there you go. The change that keeps on giving. Peace.